What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in to this video. I know it's been another long couple of weeks here before I was able to post up another video, but we're going to get one up for you guys today. We got some things to install on the race truck, so I'm super excited about that. I also have a few updates. Probably the biggest update was that truck that you saw in the beginning of this video, the big red, I don't know, whatever you guys want to call it. We actually picked that truck up about a month ago. It's something that we've been kind of working on, and I really haven't gotten a chance to do videos because of that, as well as some other things like insulation, it's hunting season, etc. But anyways, we picked that truck up pretty cheap. It's an 03, ended up needing just an H-pop. It had been sitting for like 2 years. I was really hoping to be able to get a video up showing how to diagnose the H-pop and stuff like that, but maybe I'll kind of throw in a little glimpse. I did take one video. Commanding 800, maxed out. But we got that truck fixed up. We actually already have a buyer for that, so we're going to be getting that one down the road pretty quick. But that's why we really haven't been posting any videos. But besides that, we did get some more insulation done on this back wall. Some of this stuff, we got a bunch of camping stuff back in here. That's going to end up being out of here too, so we're going to have tons more room. I'm super excited about the barn here and where it's going here. So the other thing was, you know, hunting season just started here in Michigan. It's like October 14th or something like that. So I've been in the woods a lot on the weekends, in the mornings, and in the afternoons. So with that and then school, a lot of guys already know that I'm in school. I do go to college, so just time. So but we do have some installation stuff going on the race truck today. I'm super excited. I was not planning on doing this upgrade, but things just kind of fell into place, and we're going to be doing an upgrade on this race truck. So I'm really stoked and excited. So let's get to it. So check these bad boys out right here. This is from over at River City Diesel. These are their exhaust manifolds for 6.0s and 6.4s, the log style, high flow. We actually picked these up used from one of my buddies here up in Michigan. Some of you may know him. He's got a 6.4, it's white, he sled pulls all the time. His name's Lucas. Great guy, and he actually sold me these. He's going to be going to a different style, so he sold these to me super cheap. He actually had them ceramic coated and everything, so just awesome. So I'm super happy I was able to pick these up for the price that he gave me, because we had these on here, which we just kind of ceramic coated ourselves, but these are going to look a heck of a lot better than these. So that's going to be something we're going to be installing today. I did want to show you guys, we got this elbow piece from our boys over at Diesel Site. High quality. Comes with a couple of ports here, which we're going to be running one of them for boost. And then obviously if we ever want to spray, we will have that option. So just, yeah, really excited. We're going to get these installed today, and then we'll be one step closer. Just look how beautiful this engine looks. That block-off plate is sick. I absolutely love it. All this little shiny stuff is going to really add up, and it's really going to make the truck pop. Really excited. I mean, obviously, we're going to have... Be prepared, guys. The SoCal Billet thing, T4 setup, it's coming. It's coming. Just like that, boys. Our manifolds are both on. They both look phenomenal. All we got to do is we got to swap over our exhaust pack pressure sensor tube there. We have to get a new sensor because I kind of stole one off the race truck. The other thing this manifold comes with is actually an already drilled and tapped, actually it's just a plug here, but your EGT sensor, because we are going to be running an EGT sensor on this truck, obviously, so it already has the port there, so all I got to do is get our sensor for it and run it to our gauge. So these manifolds are definitely a lot thicker. I'm really curious to see how well they're gonna perform. Hopefully it's a really good combination between the O-Dogs intake and these manifolds. So I'm really excited, guys. We got pretty much only the big ticket items left. I mean, we have a lot of miscellaneous stuff, obviously. With anything like this, there's a lot of little miscellaneous things, but injectors, turbo setup, transmission, big ticket items. So it's gonna be kind of hard to work on this truck, just because those are, it's just gonna be an aspect of money at this point. So as always, guys, we are going to be working on that. We'll try to build up a little bit of money here. We have the truck out there that we're going to be selling, so that'll help us kind of get a jump start on some of this stuff. The SoCal billet stuff, I already have that kind of in the mix here. So expect that to be happening very soon. Insulation, we got to get this insulation out of the back of the barn back there, so that eventually we can get the race truck tucked back in there, and then we'll get the engine actually in. And before we do like up pipes and stuff like that, I want to get the engine in, because we aren't going to be pulling the front end apart. I plan on just pulling the radiator out, and then we're actually going to pull the hood off probably, and then we're just going to set it right straight down since we don't have the transmission in there. So we're going to wait on the up pipes and stuff like that. So once the engine is in, up pipes can go back on. Hopefully we can get the turbo set up on there, and then we're going to be working on the injectors and the transmission. Transmission will probably be one of the last things, just as far as purpose for warranty, as well as the injectors. So everything else is going to be kind of a slow process. There's a lot of little things we can be doing. In the meantime, though, my plan is get the engine in. We will get the turbo setup done, and then we can start working on the fuel cell, get the lines routed for that. We'll get the lines routed for our oil cooler setup as well. So just a lot of smaller things in between there, and then hopefully we'll have enough money saved up. Maybe we'll have another 6.0 project in the mix there, something that we can fix up and sell. So just kind of working on it slowly, but as time goes on, we will hopefully get a lot more done and continue to push forward. And I appreciate everybody that's tuning into this video. As always, guys, if you are new, like and subscribe. A lot of cool content coming your guys' way. We got the race truck going. So once again, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. Hit that like button. Subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you, guys.